start with question number 8. How can we do manual testing using Visual Studio Team System? So let's go to Visual Studio Team System, and let's do a right click, add new test, and select the manual test. Now there are two formats here. Basically, one is the text format and one is the word format. So let's select the word format, and let's write down our test case. Now as soon as you select the word format, you will be popped up with a word template where you can basically go and enter your unit test cases, enter your test cases. I'm sorry. So let's write down a simple test case of login screen. So I've written down a test title saying login screen testing. I've said the step 1, go to the login screen. Second step, enter user ID as admin and password as admin. Press login, and you should get logged in successfully. Right. So once I've done this, let's close this, and you should see over here a file, the manual test file with the name .mht. Now let's go to a test. Let's go to Windows. Let's go to test list editor, and let's select manual test, and let's say run this test. Now once you run this test, it will basically pop up a simple screen saying that is this test passed or failed. Now what you do is that you go manually. So you go manually to your screen and do your manual testing. So let's go to the browser, let's go to favorites, and let's go to a login screen, and let me just put admin and admin as per the manual test case, and let me say login. So I can see that it's ran successfully and logged in is success. So I'll go there and say this test case has passed, and it displayed logged in, right, and say apply. So in this way we have executed our manual test case. So you can see that the manual test case has passed. So I hope that you have understood how to use VSTS manual test case, or how you can do manual testing using Visual Studio Team System.